Okay, so now you can see I have the shape cut out. So in the last video I showed how I was cutting using the coping saw to create the rounded sides, same thing here. What I want to show is, here you can see it's a little bit straight. This looks like it could take a little bit more of a rounded angle to it. So I want to show you how you can use the file or the rasp to start to cut some of that away and kind of round it out and then smooth it, and then we're going to go over sandpaper. So I'm going to take my base and I'm going to lock it back into the vise here. And again, what I talked about last time in terms of chip out, so this is my bottom side, this is going to be my top that everybody's going to see. So when I move the file in this direction, my chip out is going to go in this direction. So the bottom, if I do get chip out, that's where I want it to be, not on the top, because that would mar the surface and it wouldn't look good. So again, I'm taking my file, it's flat on one side, it's concave on the other. Convex, I apologize. So now I'm going to use two hands again, and I'm just going to push in here, and I'm going to try and take out some material using the heavy file. And again, you can see how much material I'm taking out, so I'm really getting aggressive here, trying to pull some serious material out here to try and round that off. Once I use the coarse file, I'm going to go to the medium file or the fine file. Kind of smooth things out a little bit. Take this guy out of the vise. Start to see where it's rounding itself off. It's not so angular at this point. It does have a nice rounded surface here. Okay. The next thing that I want to show you using the files is how to add some other types of shapes, like some scallops or some rounded sections using something like the rat tail file or even the coarse file to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this vise up a little bit further. Now I'm going to lock my project in here. I don't want to lock it in too tight because I'll squeeze and mar the surface a little bit here, but I want it to be tight enough so that if I go in here with the file or the rat tail, that it holds. Okay. So now, again, symmetry is important where I put my marks and things like that. So if I was going to start here, okay, again, I'm pushing down. Try and give myself some type of pattern work. I want to try and keep things somewhat similar. So that I could start to add in some design here. I don't know how easy it's going to be to see that on the camera, but you can have these nice cups or scallops in here using a small angle with a rat tail. On the larger piece here, using the concave side of this, again, you don't want to force it too much. But what you do get is some kind of rounded areas that you can add some style to your project to change it up, to make it a little bit more interesting. That's totally up to you.